asking for more rhymes, asking for more those wicked funky jazzy sounds, asking for more songs, yeah, every single time. Get yourself to a show, be the witness how we deliver it live, bring it a feel-good vibe. So tell you're feeling alright. Spectators, great spectacular ways, all seem and mesmerized. You got the funky style, the people are getting wild. They say your style's so fucking fly. Stay warm, be touching the sky. It's incredible, technical, bendable flow, some bird shit you ain't never heard. So spread the word and dissipate all those haters, slush those stirs. Got no time for that, no. Shit's fucking wild, yo. It's the band with the lady on the bass and the drums and the sides. But all those sounds and all of those flows, and all of those sounds and all of those flows, and all of those sounds, and all of those flows, oh baby, all of those sounds and all flows. Give me those slows, give me those rhymes, give me those funky jazzy sounds. Give me that stuff that you're all the kind of shit you love. And if you had it all done, then that's too bad. And we won't stop, and we won't quit now. We can't stop, I'm a rocket on the beat till my motherfucking breath stop. How it goes, from purple flows, he will leave it with an overdose. In the bracket bows, in the dominant flow. Cause you know the poetic fanatic, get it automatic, and she adequate to energetic flow. All the people cannot believe the level of my lyricism I'm approaching when I told. Better than all till the break of dawn. We ain't even till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Tell me and I'ma do it just like Snoop, pull like Stick, Rick, Dotty, it's Bird One mixtape, rockin' the part, doing it all night long. We're singing you lullabies, singing you songs, and all those sounds, and all those flows, and all those sounds, and all those flows. Sounds and all flow. Those flows, those sounds, and all those flows, come on, baby, those sounds, and all those flows, baby, all those sounds.